Hey guys, welcome back. Let's make easy and healthy strawberry muffins. These strawberry muffins have 120 calories per serving with just 15 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein and 6 grams of fat. So without any delay, let's get baking this easy and healthy breakfast recipe. First, just combine some melted low-fat butter along with some xylitol. I'm using xylitol as a sugar substitute. You can find any sugar substitute of your choice. For the dry ingredients, it's simply coconut flour, eggs and baking powder. Combine all of this together until you have a smooth and creamy lump-free batter. You can also add protein powder here as per your choice. Also fold in some freshly chopped strawberries. You can also add frozen strawberries here as well. Just combine all of this together, and once the batter comes together really nicely, transfer it to your lined muffin tin. You want to top it till the rim of it, and once you've transferred all of it together, next I'll add a nice little surprise to these muffins. It's nothing but I'll insert a dark chocolate chunk inside of these, so that once these get completely baked and you bite into it, you have a nice chocolate chunk coming out of these delicious healthy strawberry muffins. Also, I'll top with some freshly chopped strawberries and bake them at 350 Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius for just 15 minutes. And there you go, these are ready to be served within no time. Perfect, healthy, high protein breakfast muffin recipe, which is super easy to make. Also, even kids will love this for sure. Do serve this with your coffee or tea, and I'm sure you're gonna have a great morning. This is just perfect for the spring season, made with fresh strawberries. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations and the macros in the description box below. Also, subscribe to my channel for more such really easy and healthy high protein breakfast recipes, which are gonna make your morning so much better and a lot more sweeter. Have a great day everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.